Geography Assignment by Ryan Chau, 8C. Why would China's citizens migrate away? Migration is one of the most interesting events that happen every day. People migrate to many countries, but one very interesting country is China's citizens' migratory patterns. Since China is the most populated country, there are a lot of people migrating from it. In case you didn't know, migration can happen due to a couple ways: economical, social, and political reasons. A lot of the times it's the older youth that migrates from China to other countries to improve their chances to have a greater future in education. This is because the amount of people living in China provides a lot more struggle to get into schools. This is shown in our everyday lives. A lot of the time you'll see a lot of Chinese or Asian people around these days living in Canada and trying to get into a lot more schools. This shows how migration is a living, breathing thing in our everyday lives. Although China provides a lot of the manufactured products, most of those workers only live off of $1 US, which is about $1.32 Canadian. This country also has migrant workers, as it has 260 million migrant workers. This country is the largest exporter of goods to the entire world and also the second most importer. Right next to, you guessed it, the United States of America. Here, think about it like this. China produces a lot of products like the iPhone 7 and ships all those products to the rest of the world. Then China decides to import a ton of foreign technology to sell to consumers that live in China. That's exporting goods and importing goods. The problem. China's citizens spread widely across the world. Most of them are more concentrated in such countries like Canada and the US. They move to these countries because they have a lesser amount of people and better economies. Eventually, this will become a problem. The problem will be that if there's more people flooding into other countries, the amount of people will cause the amount of food to go around to deplete. When that happens, then countries like Canada and the US will start relying on other countries for food. Wish you had that steak dinner now, don't you? What can we do? One of the things that China is trying to do is to have 1.5 children per family. Although this seems very unhelpful, this would help decrease the amount of people in China and in the entire world. As an example, if the entire world had 1.5 children per family, this would lower the human population to 5 billion by 2100. This would prevent the human population to double in a century. Okay, now we got all that, all that serious stuff. Let's have some fun facts about China. China uses 43 billion chopsticks per year. Nearly 700 million Chinese people drink contaminated water. Table tennis is China's national sport. The PlayStation console is illegal in China. Half the world's pigs are living in China. Hope you enjoyed.